today I am taking you through one of the beautiful home decor projects. So every mom must be having a big problem about what to do with old toys when kids outgrow. Never like to throw those toys as lot many memories are attached with those particular toys. So today I am taking you through a home decorative project with your old toys. So today we will do some idea with this set of vegetables. Okay, so let's go ahead. I am having this unique plate which I generally use for living room decor. So using this I am making one hanging decorative item today. We need cotton rope and this set of plastic vegetables. So let's take equal length of two ropes based on where you want to hang this particular design. So I am already having this equal length of two ropes. So I am taking those, just making it half and putting a knot over here. I have used this before, so I am having already equal size ropes with me, and make threads separate at the bottom so it will look good. Similarly, second rope I am doing, and here two ropes ready. So let's hang these two ropes. You can use any decorative plate available with you. If you don't have this kind of decorative plate, please put comment in comment box and I'll show you DIY plate for this similar type of shape. Just by adding these two may slip off from side. For better support at base, we are adding one more rope and tying at both the ends. Just put a knot at the base. And once it is ready, it's ready. Now add all vegetables or fruits available with you into this decorative lantern. Arrange it nicely so that all colors can be visible and it looks as a whole decorative item together. And that's it. It's all ready to hang on the hooks. Here is a beautiful decorative item is ready, and you can hang it in the kitchen or your dining area. So keep watching for like these beautiful ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.